Greetings, respected teachers. In today's video, let us understand how to effectively use an advanced Excel application. First, please visit the Education Department's website as guided and download the lesson-based assignment PDF question papers related to your class. Based on that PDF, you can use the options provided in this Excel app to create new question papers. Moreover, in this application, some model question papers already available on the official website of the Education Department can also be used. These questions are available in soft copy as Excel worksheets. Key features of this application are as follows. With just one click, question papers and answer sheets can be generated as PDF or printable sheets. Initially, the Excel file contains separate worksheets named Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, and Unit 4. In each unit, you can include different types of questions, such as long answer, short answer, and multiple choice questions. There will be a checkbox in front of every question. You can select by ticking as per your choice. After selecting the questions, when you click the Print Question Paper button next to it, a well-formatted printable question paper and answer key will be generated based on your selection. You can prepare a mixed question paper by selecting questions from a single unit or from multiple units, all automated. This app helps you in the following ways. You can add questions under separate units. Only the ticked questions will be selected for final output. A single click will generate a PDF or printable sheet. Descriptive and compiled question papers and answer sheets can be easily created. This not only saves your time, but also helps create customized question papers and answer sheets tailored to the needs of each class. This Excel application can be effectively used in schools, colleges, and training institutions. Thank you. We hope this video was helpful. If you wish to include anything else in this Excel application, please leave a comment. For more information or if you need help, please feel free to contact.